lovies, welcome back to my channel, Kishispirit iMakeup.
Does this scene look familiar to you?
Here, aka Keisha, here with another tutorial for you. If this is your first time watching, I'm so glad to have you here. Welcome. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
If you would like to see how I do my brows, check out my other videos.
I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. This is a Jaclyn Hill, I don't know, JH something, I don't know. Anyway, it's a Morphe brush. I'm going to take my Kat Von D setting powder. I have this little travel one. And I'm going to just take my ring finger and go back over my concealer to make sure there's no creasing and no excess product. And I'm just gonna dip my brush, tap it off, and just pat that underneath my eyes. And this is pretty much how I set my makeup. I don't really use a beauty sponge to do it or any other method. I like to use this method because it's just cleaner to me. And too, if you do your eyes first, it helps with just kind of cleaning up your eyes. Today I didn't do my eyes first. And just kind of blend beneath your eyes, and I'm just lightly going in. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush, going with my Prism Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I would show it to you, but it's very dirty and it's nasty stuff. There you go. Quick view. And I'm going to take this color Saturn. I'm going to put that in my crease. And just blend out so it's a soft blended color. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, like this, and I'm going to take this color Lucid, and I'm just going to go right here. Right around on my lid, cover up my lid. same thing to the other side. Start my inner corner and go out, go up, giving my eyes appearance that they're bigger than they are. Or I just have big eyes and I'm going over my big eyes. However you want to see it. And this looks white in the pan, but it's like this pretty gold color, if you can see. You can see that? Can you see that? So pretty. And then I'm gonna take this green here. Put that in my inner corner. Back and blend. I'm going to take my Urban Decay 24-hour 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Demolition. I'm just going to go right underneath . My eyes. Now I'm gonna go in, dust off this powder underneath my eyes, like so, and just kind of lift up my, use it to also kind of clean up here where I put too much or blend it out too much, which I don't like to say I blend it out too much. I like to do that so that when I go back in and clean off, dust off the powder, I can really shape my eyes here with the powder. I like the feline look. Now I'm gonna go in with that color I used in the beginning with this M431 brush by Morphe and just blend out . So blend it out, take my powder brush again and just shape underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to take my mascara. This is the NARS Climax. Now I'm going to take that color that I use on my eyes and dab it on my lips. Blot that in. Take some liner. Take cord because my handy dandy mirror. And it's okay to create your own color, lip color. Makeup is so versatile. And then you're just gonna blot your lips. And I'm gonna add a little shine, some lip balm. Right there in the center to kind of give my lips more of a luscious look. I know it's nice and bronzy. So now I'm going to take my bronzer, or actually my Makeup Shayla Under Construction blush in the shade Construct. Then I'll take my bronzer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Mahogany. And I like to just go back into the perimeters of my face. Bronzer on my nose and show you how I contour my nose. This is my contour brush. It is the Morphe E62 brush. Dab that in. Go from my right underneath my eyebrow, top of my eyebrow, and I'll go down. Same thing on the other side. Underneath, go down, and blend down. And I like to go up my nose, so it just kind of gives it like a little button nose, like I'm snooty. I'm too good for you. Just kidding. Just kidding. I don't think that way. And that's that. So this is my final look. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was very helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye, lovies. Jerry, make a lot of noise. Jerry, make a lot of noise. Jerry, make a lot of noise. I don't have no sense. Now that I've found the sun, you know what I'm saying? Look at that glow though. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.